Hi, I'm Michael Mortimer and today I'm in this stunning hallway excited to show you a multi-level home in Darras Hall that's almost 4,000 square foot in size. This is prime Ponthieren living. This central hallway is a real feature with oak steps and landings and glass balustrade. And from the top floor it feels like you're in an open art gallery. This home has various split levels accessed from different landings, taking you to either the east or the west wing of the property. This spacious living room has a beautifully tiled floor and leads you into a stunning orangery with a skylight and bifolding doors for a seamless connection to outside. Next level down, and this bespoke kitchen has an island and integrated dining table, making it the perfect entertaining space. And another split level leads you to the second reception room, taking you to another level, and there's 5 double bedrooms, each with an ensuite. The master has a stunning ensuite with freestanding bath and walk-through shower with luxury German and Italian fittings. This architect-designed home is future-proof. Designed to flow over different levels, this high-specification home is prime Ponthieren living. Oh hang on, I've got something else to show you. Behind this door is your very own cinema room. If it was me, I'd spend all day watching my hero on the big screen. Cheers. Until next time.